How do I customize the subscriber website pages in LISTSERV Maestro? In the previous tutorial, we explored how to customize the automated confirmation and welcome messages in LISTSERV Maestro. Now, let's go one step further and see how you can customize the automatically generated subscriber website pages for your lists. These are the pages where people can subscribe, unsubscribe, and manage their subscription profiles. To do this, click on Subscriber Warehouse in the main menu and locate the subscriber list or list group that you would like to customize. Then right-click on the name of the group or list and select Manage Public Subscriber Website. You'll recognize that this is the same grid of screenshots that you saw when we customized the confirmation and welcome messages. To start customizing the website pages, click on Master Page under the Master Layout section. You can use the built-in editor to make basic changes to the layout by changing the color scheme or to add logos or images. You can also edit the underlying HTML code directly for a seamless integration with your existing website. To get started, click on Code. These steps do require some HTML skills, so if you're working in an organization with a dedicated webmaster who maintains your website, it's a good idea to ask that person for assistance in providing you with the HTML code for the structure of your website. The good news is that customizing this master page template is generally a copy and paste affair. The main thing to keep in mind is that if your LISTSERV Maestro application is running under a different domain name or under a subdomain, it may be necessary to modify the code somewhat and change your relative URLs to absolute URLs to ensure that all external style sheets, scripts, and images are properly loaded. After you've done that, simply copy and paste the code into the window and insert the Maestro body placeholder where you want the page content to go. You should also add placeholders for the two LISTSERV Maestro style sheets, which control things like fonts and spacing for the forms so that they are included in the template. In this example, I'm using the structure of the LSOPT website as a demonstration. Click the Save button to save your draft changes. Now, you will notice that all of the subscriber pages are inside the LSOPT website framework. This includes the subscription page, the login screen, as well as the status and error message screens. You can click on any of these screenshots if you want to fine-tune the layout and content of individual pages. Since the structure of the website, including the style sheet, is in the master page template, these individual pages generally only contain snippets of text and placeholders for various form elements. Everything marked in green is a condition, so the content inside will only be shown if that particular condition is true. Everything marked in yellow is a LISTSERV Maestro placeholder, which are replaced by things like text boxes, descriptions, or buttons. Many of the placeholder names are self-explanatory. For example, validation errors, OK button, and cancel button. But if something is unclear, you can simply click on the name of the placeholder in the list on the right for a short description of what it does. This list contains only those placeholders that are available on a particular page, so this list will change depending on which page you are editing. You can make virtually any type of changes on these pages, which gives you complete control to customize each screen so that it looks and functions exactly like you want it to. For example, if I wanted to add a box around the login form, like elsewhere on the LSoft website, I can simply copy and paste the HTML code around the form. I can also change any of the text that is displayed on screen. There is even a section where you can edit all of the status and error messages if you want. With a little bit of time and effort, it's possible to integrate your email lists and subscriber pages with your existing website for a seamless appearance. Thank you for watching.